Join me as I take on the challenge of getting rid of cellulite on my legs fast. Let's see if I can actually make a difference in just a week. Cellulite on legs is a super common issue, and I'm sure many of you can relate. It's like those pesky dimples and bumps that appear on the skin, making it look uneven. Lots of people struggle with it, and it's not just about looks. It can also affect how we feel about ourselves. I mean, who doesn't want smooth, glowing skin, right? Dealing with cellulite can be really frustrating. You try all sorts of things, from creams to treatments, and sometimes it feels like nothing's working. It's not just about how it looks. It can also be a bit painful. Imagine feeling self-conscious about showing off your legs, whether it's at the beach or just in your everyday life. It's like you're stuck in this cycle of trying to find a solution, but nothing seems to stick. People often feel like they've tried everything, but still, those dimples are there. It's tough, especially when it seems like everyone around you has flawless skin. But here's the thing, there are ways to tackle cellulite. Making some lifestyle changes can really help. For instance, eating a balanced diet that's rich in fruits, veggies, and lean proteins can make a big difference. Staying hydrated is also key. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keep your skin looking healthy. Exercise is another game changer. Focusing on strength training and cardio can help reduce the appearance of cellulite. Squats, lunges, and leg lifts are great for targeting those areas. Plus, getting your blood flowing with some cardio can help tone your legs. Some people also swear by certain treatments like massages or using specific creams that help improve skin texture. So, what's the most effective way to get rid of cellulite fast? Well, it's a combination of things. First, you have got to focus on your diet. Cutting down on processed foods and sugar can help reduce inflammation and improve your skin's appearance. Next, exercising regularly is crucial. A mix of strength training and cardio will help tone your muscles and improve circulation. And don't forget about self-care. Massaging your legs can help break down fat and improve skin texture. Consistency is key here. You can't just do one thing and expect results overnight. It's about making these changes a part of your daily routine. Start with small steps, like taking a short walk each day or swapping out one unhealthy snack for a healthy one. These little changes can add up over time. Seeing results quickly requires commitment, but it's doable. Imagine being able to wear a pair of shorts or a skirt with confidence. That's what we're aiming for. The goal is to make these habits stick, so you can enjoy smoother, healthier-looking skin. The bottom line is, while there's no magic solution, combining these strategies can lead to some pretty amazing results. To sum it up, tackling cellulite on your legs is all about making informed choices and sticking to them. It's about understanding that it's not just about looks, it's about feeling good in your own skin. By focusing on diet, exercise, and self-care, you can make a real difference. If you would like more in-depth information about how to eradicate cellulite, then just copy and paste the link in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks.